my God. I just saw something on TikTok and it's just driving me absolutely crazy. So I'm doing this video because I think that some people live in a dream world, an absolute dream world where you think that there are no bad people. We're on TikTok. Hundreds of millions of people use TikTok. This lady gets a video of her kid at a school play. Her kid has autism, and the kid next to him is like helping him go through the motions of the play. She posts the picture of the kid next to her kid, not her own kid. This little girl helping her kid. At first I saw it and I was like, in the first 5 seconds, I was like, yeah, that's really nice. That kid's raised really well to help other people. And then I was like, how dare you post the picture of this cute little kid on the internet for filthy, nasty men and women who are pedophiles to exploit. Because that's what you've done. You've now blasted that kid's picture all over the world. And you might think, oh, Monique, that's not true. But you know, people are inherently bad. I'm sorry to say that. There are millions of bad people in the world who take pictures of children, cut off the head, and replace the body, and do horrible things. And there's like whole police forces that search for pictures like that online to protect children. And you have just put her picture out there for the rest of her life. A child under the age of 10, maybe under the age of 7. Just because you're like, oh, that's really nice of that kid, I'm going to put their picture on. Like, this is not like going to your kid's play and just taking a video for yourself. You've put that video out into the world for people in every country, in every language, every type of person to take. It's really easy to take a picture or screen grab of that video that you've put out there. And now you've taken that kid's whole face, their identity, and they can do whatever they want with that picture. My goodness, they can do whatever they want with your kid's picture. But just to do that to a stranger's kid, not just your own, is ridiculous. And I hope that person quickly realizes what they've done. I put a comment on there. I had to. I put a comment on it and I said, how dare you basically take somebody else's child and blast their picture online without their permission or anything like that. Like, you know that it's 2025 and that people can do anything with your picture now. And as a photographer, I'm saying this because it's just so shocking to me that a grown adult has no awareness that not only that, you could put your own picture out there for someone to steal your image and your identity, but now you've put a child's picture out there on a platform where you have no idea who's watching. And not only that they could manipulate that image, they now know where you live. I hope you know that. Because in pictures and stuff, unless you're broadcasting, I live in such and such a country, with a screen grab like that, I can pinpoint where that kid's school is. There's tons of software that, like, by taking a picture, it tells you where someone lives or the approximate area where they live. So it's just like, how dare you as an adult do that to a stranger's child? I hope that person realizes really quickly what you've done and what you've exposed their kid to. Oh!